Hi guys, welcome to the another part of the video, designing your ebook cover. We are moving towards the end of the video, and this part of the video is very important and crucial. Ebook cover designing, that is, design the cover of your ebook, is very vital. If you have a good content and your cover is not well designed, you may not have enough sales as you ought to. And if you have a good cover and the content is not good, you may still have more sales than having bad cover. So that's why you need to pay more attention to this place on how you are going to design your ebook cover. Now here I've made this thing very simple. I will not be using CorelDRAW nor Photoshop. I'll be using a package I call PowerPoint. I know it is not every one of us that have the graphics design or idea. Not every one of us. Even me myself, I don't have the graphics design or knowledge. But if you have the graphics design, you can use your own graphics design. But for we that we did not have the much knowledge on graphics design, so I will be using a software I call PPT. It usually comes with your Word document. So let us proceed further on how to design our ebook cover. So designing your ebook cover, you come to the platform software I call PPT. So just open your PPT, duplicate the size, or you open a new one. You open a new one, just like my own now. You open a new one. I've opened a new one. This is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to be. Everything. This is how everything is going to be. This is how everything is going to be. So, blank like this. Blank like this. So the first thing you need to do, it is not every PPT layout that normally looks like this. You know, this one is already in ebook shapes, but if your own is not in ebook shapes, so you just come to formatting. You click here, you click on layout. When you click on layout, you can see you change the layout to anything you want. So, and another thing is when you click on insert, immediately you click on insert, there's a space whereby you have shape. Click on it, then select rectangle. When you select rectangle, come into the shape and drag it. So when you drag it, you can see you have something like this. So you move it, everything must tally. So you can change the color to anything that you want. So here, you can just come here. I would like to change it to here. I would like to change it to green. Yes, that's the color I want. I want to change it to. So the next thing is to import the video I'm going to use. The photo I'm going to use. So you click on that same insert where you have picture. You click on picture. You select a varieties of pictures. So you select as many as possible. So then you just click outside. Now you can now drag them one after the other. Wow, this one will be okay. Even because of the color, it will be okay. So you drag it. You drag it out by zooming it. You can see. You drag it out. So you drag this one in. So you drag it out. So to drag this one too out. drag it out. You can see now that it's already giving us the shape of ebook. So drag it in little by little. So you drag this one to in. Yes. You may also think of you don't need something like this. You may drag it up. You can see. Then you come back to insert again. Pick shape and you pick same rectangle. Come to this side and you drag, then you drag it up so that there will not be any space. There will not be any space, so you drag it very well. Drag it very well. That's how to do it. So you change this color to the above color. So you change it to the above color. So you come to color, shape color, you just click on it. It will change. So you can see now that it's now resembling ebook cover even without stress. You can see how simple it is. So, and as I said earlier, if you have the knowledge of PowerPoint, CorelDRAW and Photoshop, you can use that. But for we that we don't have the idea, we know this in graphics design, let us use our PPT. So, and I know for those of us that we are using PPT, we find it simple and very easy for us to use. Now, after that, the next thing is to write something on it. Remember that the book I'm publishing is keto. So then you come to insert again, that same insert. You click on that same shape. Now the first one on it, whereby you have they write A on top of it. You call it text box. So you click on it, just outside. Don't go inside the something that you are designing. Just click on outside. Then you write your topic, anything that you want to write. Ketogenic. That's the topic of what I'm writing now. Ketogenic. So you drag it. It's ketogenic. It's not. It's ketogenic. That's it. So you still come to the shape again. You still select the text box. You come here again. So you can now write a subtopic. A lifestyle, not a diet. Now you still go back to it again, insert under the shape, you select the text box, then you click on it, then you write the name of the author. Who is the author? Maybe your name or the name of whichever you are using. So Patrick Sponding. So you drag it out so that it will be on a straight line. You can see now. So if you have any other thing you want to add, you can add it to it. Maybe the name of any other authors, or if your own subheading is longer than this, you may add it to it. So that's it. Ketogenic. So you drag it to the center here. You drag it to the center here. So you click on the line that is bringing on the line. You can see how I click on the line. So you come to this place, you increase the size. You can see that I've increased the size. So you drag the edges here so that it will be on the straight line. So you drag it up, then you change the color. You can see it's now in white color. You can see it's now making sense. You can see it's now making sense. So you can still increase the font size. can still increase the font size. Can still increase, you can see. Can still increase it so that it will be bold. Even people seeing it from far, we know that yes, this is the topic he's talking about. He's talking about ketogenic. Wow, you can see it's now displaying correct ebook cover. So you have this one too. So click on it, then you increase the size. You increase the size. You change the color. Let me do it. This one yellow. Okay, yellow. You can see. Now let me change the font size of this one. Let me change the font size. So you can just change any font size you want. So this is the font size I want to use. That's the font size I want to use. And we also increase the size. So I'm increase the size. Drag this one here. So ketogenic. So this one to change the size. You may change the font size. You may change everything. You may. So you come here. Change the size. I'm using this one, so I reduce the size so that it will be under it. So that's all. So we bring this one here, the name of the author, bring it here, down here. So to increase the size, to change the color, you can put yellow, you can put any of your favorite color, but I'm using white. So then I change the size, font type. I still increase the size one more time. So I drag it like this. You can see now. You can see it's now a unique ebook cover. It's now a unique ebook cover. So you can still think of adding any other thing of your choice. You can still add any other thing of your choice. So, but me, let me also add something. Insert, under insert, come to shape. So I only want to add line to it. So you just start the line from this side. Make it straight. So you can see. Then you come under shape outline. Shape outline. You can see where I am now. So you click on it. You change the color to white. You can see it's giving us another shape. You still come under shape outline. You come under where you have weight. You can see weight. So you come here, you drag it down. I need something like this. Wow, wow, wow. You can see now that it's looking perfect. Looking perfect. Looking perfect. You can drag this one down a little bit. Yes, you can see how that it's looking perfect now. It's looking perfect now. Wow, wow. Uploading this, nobody will know whether you use PPT or you use PowerPoint. You can see it's looking perfectly okay. And with this, people will want to buy your ebook because you have a good ebook cover. Now the next thing is how you are going to save it. You know, when you want, most times when you are saving PowerPoint, any document on PowerPoint, it will be in form of document, not in form of picture. You know, and whatsoever you want to use as ebook cover must be in form of picture, not in form of document. So now how are you going to save it? So you come here, come under file, you click on file, you click on export. export. When you click on export, you click on change file type. When you click on change file type, you have only two. Amazon and Kobo accept only two files. It's either it is a PNG or JPEG. It's either it is PNG or JPEG. So any of it is what you can use. So I'm using JPEG. Then you click as save as. So then you change the name to whatever you want to use. Maybe you want to use English. You want to use English. So then you save. Now click on just one. Click on just one, and the document is already saved like that. So we meet in the next tutorial, where I will be teaching you how to upload your document. There are steps in uploading your document. You don't just go there and upload your document. There are things you need to know before you go ahead in uploading your document. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to explain to us one after the other how you can upload your document, how you can rank your ebook to be on the first or second line on Amazon. So that everything, I will explain everything to you. So stay tuned.